Okay. Hi guys, so we have a new thing to unbox, but first, so this is a new setup. So I'll be making an announcement video about this space in the next video, or maybe the video before. I don't know which one will be first. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing of this. I've been wanting to buy this strap for a long time. I actually thought of buying a China brand one, but it's definitely not gonna be the same quality as what you're gonna get from this strap. There are like 3 different straps from Peak Design. I'm not sponsored by Peak Design. I'm just a big fan of Peak Design, but I never own any Peak Design products. But I watch a lot of reviews, so yeah. So yeah, I got myself this as a slight light. There's like a bigger strap, and this is like the medium one, and you have a small one for smaller cameras. So I see a lot of my friends, they actually own these, so finally got mine today. And then yeah, it looks interesting. From here, when you open up the box, you can see that there are like instructions like of how does this strap works, and then like how much it can support, and then just a bunch of stuff. And then you have the strap itself right here, like the preview of how it looks like. Okay, let's switch to a top-down shot of what's inside the box. Okay, so I wasn't expecting like a lot of stuff from the box actually. I thought it's gonna be just this strap and then that's it. It's pretty thoughtful of Peak Design for including these in the box, like this thing where you can screw it under camera, make it more like a sling, like for you to be able to put a camera at the side, like something like that. It's very hard to explain, but then some people like that. Maybe that's for you, but I'm not sure. But it's pretty good that they include this. I thought that you have to buy this separately, but then yeah, I guess that I don't have to buy it if I ever thought of trying that style. Yeah, they give you an extra this button thingy clip in case you lost one of your buttons. So actually they give you 2 buttons if you somehow lost both of them, so it's good to know that you have like backup. Okay, I think you call this an Allen key. They include this for you to screw this thing onto the camera. So yeah, pretty thoughtful of Peak Design. Actually, I was really impressed. And then they have a lovely sticker right here with like links to their website on the back of the sticker. So cool. Probably gonna stick this on my computer. Then you have this pouch thing to put all those extra stuff in it. And then I think you can probably fit the strap into the pouch. Wait, let me try. This is actually a stupid experiment. It doesn't actually fit. That's what she said. Okay, so whoa, okay, I'm just gonna tinker around with the strap first to see how does it work. So I'm not sure what this level is for. I'm guessing that it's gonna helps with locking the strap, or if you somehow accidentally like pull the strap, so it's gonna lock in place, and then you do this, it's gonna make it loose. So hard to test right now. Definitely, you bought your camera? Okay, I'm gonna use this camera as a demo unit to test out the strap. I didn't buy my camera, so I'm gonna borrow this camera from Daphne. So thanks, Daphne, if you're watching this video. She's actually behind me. Okay. Okay, so disclaimer, this strap is actually not meant for small cameras like this. This is actually built for like cameras like the Sony A7 III or something bigger. It's supposed to support cameras around 90 plus kilograms, that's what it says right here, or 200 pounds if you're not using Caji. Okay, let's strap this on. Okay. Cool. It's like I'm one of the cool guys like in town. Cool kids, cool guys. Okay. So it actually, this thing works if the strap is on you, if there's like a bit of force like pulling down the strap. This thing right here, if you pull it up, you can adjust the strap to your shit. Somehow you can pull both ways, like no matter if it's bottom, if the level's in the bottom or on top. So you have to play around more with the levels and stuff. But then my first time wearing this and putting this on my neck, it feels nice, feels premium, feels like an actual strap. I put on a lot of straps on my neck before, but then this really feels right. Feels like a legit camera strap, which doesn't make you feel like a tourist or whatsoever. But then yeah, it's like you mean business when you are putting this on. People know that you are legit. Yeah, this kind of feeling when I'm wearing the strap. And then the USP, the unique selling point of the strap, is this thing where you can just take the strap off. Wait, hold on. And then just go handheld from there, or just put this thing on a gimbal or whatsoever. And then if you're done with like your stuff, and then you can just put it back on. Just like that, instead of like going through the the thing inside and then going through like the strap. This just saves a lot of time for all those of you who, especially for those event photographers, videographers, especially videographers, because you have to switch between tripod to gimbal whatsoever. And yeah, really dope product. Can't wait to actually use this on the field, like for casual or like work shoots. Yeah, really solid product. Really liking it. So if you're wondering how much does this cost, it's actually, I can say this is priced reasonably a bit. I would say if it's priced around 100 or 150 ringgit, then it will be very reasonable. But unfortunately, this one is priced around 220. That's what I spent for this strap. I hesitated when it comes to buying this strap for a long time because I don't really use straps, but then sometimes you just wish that you have a strap, especially when you're traveling, which is safer in a way. And then it gets really annoying for you to like go through the loop sometimes. You just want something quick and then easy when you're traveling. You don't want the hassle. So yeah, after a few years, I finally got my hands on the strap. My thought process when it comes to buying the strap is that this is a one-time thing. You're not gonna buy any other straps in your life. If you don't lose this strap, it's definitely gonna last for a long time. You have warranty on this for this strap. If you somehow broke this or like damaged this, I don't know how are you gonna damage this, because this feels like legit. It feels very durable. So yeah, it's definitely gonna last for a long time. And then that's what I thought when it comes to buying this strap. So hopefully you get something from this. Hopefully I narrow down your decisions when it comes to buying straps. Is this the best strap ever? I'm not sure, but then when it comes to the convenience of this strap, I can say 100% this is the strap for convenience. For comfort, I'm not sure yet because I haven't tested out. I'll probably do a following video of this video to tell you my thoughts on the strap. Like how does it do on the field, my overall review of the strap like after a few months. But yeah, first impressions is really nice. Thanks Daphne again for lending me the camera to use it to use it as a demo unit, to test it out, test the strap out. And then yeah, make sure to subscribe, follow Daphne, subscribe Daphne as well. Like this video, share this to your friends who are thinking of buying the strap or whatsoever. And then stay tuned because I'll be announcing something very big. I'll be announcing something quite big for this channel and for what I'm gonna do in the future. And then definitely about this space, I'm gonna do a proper announcement, maybe introduction about this space. What am I gonna do in this space and my future in this space or whatsoever. Ooh. She's excited. Okay, you probably have a little idea of what's going on, but then yeah, we need a proper introduction. The introduction is not gonna be in this video, it's gonna be on the next, hopefully, or the video after that, or after that, I don't know. Okay, so thank you for your time, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.